Wi-Fi is very important to our business.
Without it, of course, we can't run our coffee machines, we can't run our blenders, we can't run our oven to bake all of our homemade things. So whilst gas is a solution for some of our cooking, the reality is that because we offer such a wide variety of things, without electricity, we cannot function with half of the kitchen.
We are very worried about our quality of the food. All the refrigeration linked to power supply. Automatically, if you got more than 2 hours cut off, we need to be worried about our quality of food.
We want to maintain the cold chain always, and we have to deliver to our customer. So we need to ensure our product in our fridge and freezer are always under the proper temperature.
There's big risks involved. We've thrown away stock numerous times because we weren't satisfied with the quality.
So load shedding really has affected us quite a lot.
It's not been a good run in the last few years, basically. We lost a good 30–40% of our business.
We've had a 30% impact on our net income.
When there's load shedding, it affects our equipment. We've had fridges break down, lighting break down, costs incurred for maintenance of our equipment has definitely gone through the roof.
I'm losing across our group probably 100 to 150,000 rands worth of maintenance costs. If your business is not making money, you're in trouble. If your business is making money, you're not making what you used to make. And these businesses are marginal in a tough economy.
Fortunately, we discovered this Huawei product, Luna200. It's quickly to respond and allowed us to not have breaks between the load shedding and the power supply from the Luna. So we're quite happy about it, yes.
The Luna200KWH energy storage solution is the ultimate product for grid-tied applications as well as off-grid applications.
I would say that the Luna200 is so much better simply because it's very reliable. And so what I understand by the technology is that it's quite advanced, that it doesn't just make use of one power source. And in that sense, it means that we're probably going to suffer a lot less from breakdowns and just things switching off when they shouldn't be.
It's just made our lives a lot easier. It's made some of our costs drop dramatically. It's actually better than a turnover stabilizer. It's a saver. It saves you a lot of money.
We can do whatever we're supposed to do and maintain the proper temperature for our premium products.
Customers will learn slowly that we always have power here. If they are struggling at home, they can come here, plug in, charge a laptop, use the Wi-Fi, and they know that not only can they count on us for a delicious cup of coffee, but they can also have some backup power, so that's very helpful.